Today, I'm going to show you how to deposit a customer check in QuickBooks Online. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the dashboard, click New or Create. Then select Receive Payment. Choose the customer who gave you the check. QuickBooks will show that customer's open invoices. Select the invoice the check is paying. Next, enter the payment date. For the payment method, choose Check. Enter the check number if needed. Then choose Undeposited Funds in the Deposit To field. This holds the payment in QuickBooks until you record the actual bank deposit. Check the payment amount and make sure it matches the check. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Now, click New or Create again. This time, select Bank Deposit. At the top, choose the bank account where the check was deposited. Then select the check payment you just recorded. Check the deposit date and confirm that the total matches the amount deposited into the bank. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close.